Hi friends, this is Leah from Make All the Things With Me, and I'm making some primitive salt and pepper shakers. My friend sells them in her shop and they're her best sellers, so I thought I'd give it a try. I used Plaster by Waverly, gave them about 3 coats. The trick is to really saturate your brush for the best coverage. Painted the tops with black folkart paint. Distress them a little bit with antique wax by Waverly, and then I carefully hand drew the star. I have this sped up. It was a process. I was very super careful and just took my time making sure that I got that star just the way I wanted it. I looked at a picture, I copied the shape and glued the tops on, gave them a coat of Mod Podge, and that was it. It was so simple and so beautiful. There they are. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and share.